Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some potato salad. I have some red potatoes with the peelings on them. You can peel these as you want. Um, you could peel them or leave them whole. I like to leave the skin on because it's for potato salad with red potatoes. It's for me, it's just the thing to do that you don't really notice the peeling on them. They're so thin, but I did boil mine. I normally bake my potatoes because I don't like a lot of moisture in my potatoes, but I'm pressed for time. I got things to do, and I'm going to refrigerate this overnight. This is for tomorrow, and as you know, potato salad needs to set for several hours, but everything you need will be in the description. I boiled mine till they're fork tender, cut them into little, maybe half-inch cubes, however big you want them, you know. And you can use, but like I said, I got videos of a couple other potatoes. I make potato salad probably 20 different ways, but this is different, and I wanted to share this with y'all. But I cubed mine and boiled them. You can boil them whole, like I said, or bake them just till they're fork tender. But what I'm going to do here is move these out of the way. And I have my mayonnaise. There's my vinegar, salt and pepper. And as I stated, what you need is in the description. And we're just going to mix this up. Okay, I got my dressing mixed up. Simple, just the mayonnaise and vinegar and salt, pepper. And I chopped this all up earlier, which is my celery and my purple onions. Everybody's looking for potato salad recipes, guys. 4th of July is coming up, and you know how that goes. Barbecues and salads and all that good stuff. I have my chopped boiled eggs. Get all those out of there. Whoop, I hit that camera. Now, if you don't like olives, leave them out. I love them with olives. And I have my sweet pickle and pimento. So those of you who like the channel, please subscribe. We're pushing for that 50,000 mark to do a giveaway. And you have to be subscribed, guys. Okay? So we're going to just toss this a little bit. Just get that mixed in there a little. I love potato salad. I don't care how you make it. Like my other videos, one's made with salad dressing, one's with mayonnaise. There's so many things you can put in potato salad and make it your own. It's just good eating. Now we'll go in with, oh, that already smells good. I can already smell those onions. And my potatoes are a little bit warm. You don't want them steaming hot when you do this, but you do want them a little warm still. And of course, potato salad is a must. You have to let it sit because you want all these flavors to come out. You know, the onion and the olives, the pimentos, the celery. You want them to work their little magic. Now, if you like a really creamy potato salad, what you could do is what I normally do when I do this one, because potatoes with the skins on them pretty much stay together very well. I'll go in with the good old tater masher and just give it a few mashes, and that also helps absorb that dressing where it's not going to be so runny. I'm not going to mash it completely. We still got plenty of chunkiness going on there, and that just helps absorb that dressing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just mix, 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 and I will get it into a serving bowl and be back with the final presentation. But looky there. All right. Okay, my friends, I put it in a smaller bowl so you could really see the salad. But there it is. I'm going to put this in the fridge overnight. But I can tell you right now, it's going to be delicious. Let all that dressing soak into them potatoes. Mmm, so good. Mm-hmm. But I'm going to get some saran wrap over this and stick it in the fridge. There's the potato salad. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. If you're enjoying the channel, as I said, get yourself entered in that giveaway. And we will see you guys next week. Stay blessed and make you up some salad. Bye-bye.